Hi, I'm Lainey Draper, Instructional Designer at eSale. This video will take you through the steps of importing a course into another Canvas course. To start, you need to select the empty course that you want to copy another course into. Once inside that course, you want to click on the Import Course Content on the sidebar menu on the right. In the Content Type menu, you can select Copy a Canvas course if you're trying to copy another section from Canvas into your new section. Other options are if you have exported a course in Canvas and you have that export package, you can also choose to import a Canvas course export package. If you still have an export package from Blackboard, choose the Blackboard 6789 export zip file. Another option is to also import test banks from publisher zip files, and if you have one of those packages from the publisher, you can select qti.zip file, and that usually works. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and copy from a Canvas course. So once I've chosen that, it gives me an option to search for a course. There, I can use the pull-down menu to select previous semester courses. Then I need to select what content I want. I can select all content to copy over the entire course, or I can select specific content if I only want to bring over test banks or different files. In this example, I'm going to do all content. Once I've chosen that, I can now hit the import button. And then it shows me my current job here is queued and then running. And so I just need to wait and let that finish running. Once the course copy is shown as complete, you're ready to check the material you've copied over. Also, click on the link that says issues if any issues come up, and it'll tell you if anything had trouble copying over. Best practice, once you have something imported, is to check your home page. This will be the empty home page that you had in the course previously from the template, so you'll need to change that. Check the modules area and make sure everything that you need copied over. Again, you may have duplicates of things from the template, so you should be able to delete some of those. You can also check your pages area, view all pages, and this allows you to change your home page. When you see the home page that is likely set with the title 2 on it, go to the menu for that page, which is to the right, the 3 dots, and you can change this to use it as the front page. And you'll also notice the dates. Anything you imported over will have the current date, while the older material will have an older date. And then also check your assignments area for any quizzes and assignments and make sure everything gets pulled over there. And that is how you import a course.